Hi, potential induced degradation or PID for short can reduce panel efficiency by as much as 30%. But what does PID refer to and what can you do about it? Let's find out. In this video, we will answer 4 important questions. What is PID? How does it occur? Should you be worried? And what are the steps you can take to prevent the problem? If you look closely at a solar cell, you will see thin silver lines. These are called the bus bars and cell branches, which provide a fixed path to the generated current. But sometimes this current deviates from its path and starts moving through the panel frame and structure towards the ground. The energy that should have gone to the solar inverter is now wasted. And since there is current flowing at a place where it should not be flowing, the risk of an electric shock rises. This phenomena is created because of the potential difference between the negatively charged solar cell on one hand and neutral ground on the other. It leads to degradation of module efficiency and is called PID. There are 4 main causes of PID. Number 1. Temperature and humidity. In a module directly above the solar cell is an insulator layer called encapsulant. Its basic function is to prevent the current from moving around, but in hot and humid climate, the insulator strength of this layer starts weakening and it starts conducting electricity. As a result, the current finds a low resistance path towards the ground. Number 2. Encapsulant material. If the solar panel uses a low quality encapsulant material, then the chances of such current leakage due to temperature goes up. Number 3. System voltage. In recent years, the voltage of PV systems has increased. Now, 1000 to 1500 volt systems are common in the market. But the higher the voltage, the higher the potential difference between the panels and the ground. As a result, the chances of PID goes up. Number 4. ARC property. The surface of a solar panel generally has an anti-reflective coating to improve the light absorption. This coating also acts as an insulator and stops electricity from flowing. But if it is non-uniform at certain spots, the coating can provide a path for electrons and cause current leakage. Now we know what causes this problem. But the most important question is, should you be worried about PID? See, you can't completely remove PID. All solar panels experience some level of degradation in their life. However, the amount of degradation can definitely be reduced. Here's what you can do to prevent this problem. Number 1. Always invest in high quality modules that are either IEC 62804 or MNRE certified. Number 2. Opt for products with PID resistant solar cell technology or panels that reduce degradation. Number 3. Always ensure that your solar installer provides proper grounding for the panel and the inverters. Hope you have understood the concept of PID. Comment down below if you have any doubt and follow us for more such informative videos. Thank you.